Rah! Is that Lily the Land Cruiser? Oh, have a geezer, that's MADMUX.
Thank you. Weird. Righty guys, welcome back to MADMUX 4x4 and welcome to Bluff Creek. Joined here with a couple good friends. So we've got MADMUX in the corner over there, Bailey's 79, Connor and Amy's MP300, and Tristan and India's Hilux. So we'll go through for a quick walk around camp, show you around, and I want to go through Bailey's 79 because she's a pretty tough rig. So let's get to it. Bailey, where are you, mate? Righty guys, this is Bailey, good friend of mine.
What's going on, guys?
And this is his absolute rig of a 79 series.
Yeah.
So what's under the hood, mate?
So this is the HDJ 79, the RV
So
model.
FTE.
FTE under the bottom.
Hell yeah. Absolute weapon. So what, 35s?
35's 4-inch lift.
Yep.
Yeah,
And
she goes good.
Canopy setup is absolutely immaculate. So what, on this side you've got the two drawers.
Yeah.
On the other side, what, you've got your fridge.
Basically a full custom setup. The tray's actually just the factory tray that I've pretty much modified to my liking.
Yep.
Fully custom drawers, rear bar for the rooftop tent up the top.
So what's that, Outback Tourer 1.4?
Yeah, the 1.4 plus.
Cool.
So we can have obviously the awning on the side.
Yep.
It's a little bit thicker.
And then 270 Outback Tourer again.
270 awning, yep.
And what, you got fresh water under it too, don't you? The water
Yeah,
pump?
we've got a 60 litre water tank underneath, which I've just put a pump on.
Yep.
So we've got pumped water now.
Yep. And under the bonnet you got a Fats Fab airbox as well.
Yeah, Fats Fab airbox and EGR delete.
Yep.
Apart from that,
Pretty stock.
stock
Yeah.
as a rock engine.
So quick canopy run over, because this thing's like, Bailey's done it all himself and he's done really well. So what's that, like a kick-ass?
Yeah, so we've got kick-ass for power, running 230 amp slimline battery, so
Cool.
plenty of power. The 200 watt solar panel on
Yeah.
top, that obviously comes with the Outback Tourer tents.
Yep.
130 litre.
Fridge is massive.
130 litre Bushman fridge.
Look at all the beers. That's cool.
Yeah.
So fridge freezer as well.
Fridge freezer, I believe you can only fit this size fridge in the cruisers because they have the highest
Yeah,
cab,
yeah.
so you can have the higher canopy.
That's sick.
Slide out pantry here.
How far does that go in? So what's that, Ridge Rider? Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, it's just a super cheap one.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this is basically the control box, so we got lights pretty much everywhere.
Yeah.
Lights in the doors, lights in the back, lights in the awning, all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what, you got that, I saw that Eco X Gear speaker on the back too. That's cool.
Box on the back, that's the favourite part.
That's sick. So yeah, Eco X Gear guys are like sick looking speaker, and they got like LED lights, like you were pumping it last night.
Yeah.
And it's like a full disco rave.
it
It's
goes
sick.
good.
Yeah. And yet spare tyre, jerry can holders.
Yep.
It's straight pipe? No?
It's 3-inch, but it has muffler, no cut.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
It's FTE sounds so good. It's sick. So yeah, we'll see this thing out in the tracks because I think we want to try. There's a waterfall that everybody posts on TikTok, but nobody actually specifies where it is. So I think that's going to be our mission today. We're going to go get a feed at the bakery, and yeah, try it. Just hoon around, see what we can find. So see you shortly.
Let's go, Bluff Creek. Yeah, fuck.
You got heaps of room. Yeah, come that way. Your water's coming out as well. Your water tank. Yeah, go, sweet. Heaps of room. Just hug that wall. And watch that rock. Left hand. That way. Yep. You good? Yeah.
Left. Go straight. Yeah, that's perfect there, bro.
Boss ass bitch. Boss bitch. Boss ass bitch. Boss bitch.
Alrighty guys, we found it, the secret waterfall. What did it take us? Bailey, how long did it take us? Half hour? You kind of had an idea. Yeah. So Bailey sort of, he'd been here before and he got to that really rutted out section. He was here solo last time with his missus and they said, nah, not doing it, but got in here pretty easy. Absolutely gangster spot, eh? So highly recommend to get down here, but not telling you where it is. But nah, KENILWORTH, this is gangster. MADMUX, first time off road sort of thing. I've had it up the beach a couple times, but this is the first time sort of four-wheel driving and having the diff locked, and I'm pretty happy with how it performs, so yeah.
It's okay, do your thing. It's okay to do your thing. It's okay, it's okay.
From fishing last week. The captain cut this week.
This is sick, eh? We went up this weird we went up this weird track and there was like, you can see down there, all these people are down there. So we've pulled up to this random hill and the view's insane. Like, this is awesome, mate. This is what it's all about.
It's okay, do your thing. It's okay to do your thing.
Fair income, guys. We are here. We're all gonna have a go splitting the log. And yeah, you guys are gonna rate it.
Howdy, partner. I'm up. Oh.
Righty guys, I'm the other Connor. Well, I'm the two hands and a no.
Hi guys, my name's India and I reckon I could be better than Tristan.
Boss ass.
Wait. Alright, this is a really heavy axe. Can you give me a little baby one?
Come on, guys, this is my attempt of wood chopping here. Oh! Yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Cece and I am a property manager. Enjoy this.
Oh, yeah, you got off the edge.
That was better than Tristan.
Okay guys, that is a wrap for Kenilworth. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as it's a bit different to what I posted before. And as you guys know, I'm new to YouTube, so you guys got to let me know what sort of videos you want to see in the content. So let me know down in the comments what you want to see more, and get keen for next episode because Irene and I travel to WA and we go to Rottnest Island, the Pinnacles, the list goes on. So I'm really excited for that video to come out. And got the bull bar rocked up, so I'm not going to tell you guys what brand I went for, but that'll be in the episode after Perth. So we've got so much content coming for you guys, so stay tuned, subscribe.